So I'm going to show you how to use the accessibility button on your OnePlus 15. Now the accessibility button is basically a button that floats on your screen and gives you access to specific functions of the phone. So if you go into settings and then go to accessibility and convenience and tap on that, and then you go to accessibility, you will see the accessibility button. So this is where you can customize the button, but before you customize it, you go to accessibility menu and turn the shortcut on and confirm you want to allow it to be on the screen. Now once you enable it like that, then now you can go and find different ways of bringing it up, but for me, I just want it on the screen. So now I can go back and back again and then go to accessibility button, and I can adjust the size. So you can have a bigger accessibility button or a small one. You can also choose to make it fade when not in use, and also when it's not in use, how much transparency do you want on that button. So I'm gonna leave it right there. Okay, so now you can always have that button on your screen just hanging on the corner, and you can bring it up anytime, and it offers you some useful functions like going to accessibility settings, your digital assistant. You can turn volume down or up, especially in case your volume buttons are not working. You can use it to go to the recent apps. You can adjust screen brightness, and also you can lock your screen. So that is basically the use of this accessibility button. So it gives you access to quick things, especially if you have problems with your buttons. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.